Thank you so much for being here. You guys are amazing. Thank you, thank you, thank you for all the kids. I'm sorry about my mouth. It's the one thing I'm working on. I see a lot of your faces from where we used to play a place called the Hurricane here. Yeah, it's good to see you again. Thank you for being here. We love you, okay? She always said that I would never find a better one. Well, look at me, I did that shit. Come on now, Kansas City, come on now. She always said that I would end up alone. Well, look at me, I'm on top of the world. She was wrong. She was wrong. You like that when I'm falling apart. Easy for you to go and break my heart. Come on now, yeah, come on now. Well, the best way to get back at you, live my life, be happy and true. Come on now, Kansas City. Yeah, I've been hurt, but I'm moving on. Yeah, I've been hurt, but I'm moving on. So long. We all been hurt, yeah. There's so many good-looking beards here, man. Fucking so beautiful beards. Ah. You're not good for my soul. The one that gets last always has control. Take that back and you'll be amazed. I only get better looking with age. You like a better when I'm falling apart. Easier for you to go and break my heart. Come on now, yeah, come on now. Well, the best way to get back at you, live my life, be happy and true. Come on now, sing it. Yeah, I've been hurt, but I'm moving on. Thank you guys. Tonight, after the whole show, I'm going to be back at that merch booth shaking hands. So please come by so I can tell you thank you very much.